is breaking news. Oh my gosh, Tesla surges past $2,000. Congratulations to all you new beginners. You emailed me and said you were inspired after I told you that I bought Tesla over 1,500, and I said, well, you know, I'm not allowed to tell you to buy or sell, but if you choose to do your own due diligence and choose to buy it yourself, you could get it lower than me because it was trading around $1,300. Well, it just smashed the $2,000 level. And did you know there was a $55 million call option in it? And we don't know if people were shorting Tesla or longing Tesla, but if the 55, that was one option that somebody put in for $55 million on Tesla. So I hope they were predicting that it would break 2,000, because if they predicted that Tesla would fall short of 2,000, woo, that's a lot of money to lose. So congratulations to Tesla. Oh my gosh, Tesla is just a disruptor, electric car. It has, do you know that the car has a dog center, a pet center? So if your dog is in the car, it has a pet center to put the air conditioning on, and it'll keep your dog safe. And it also has a child safety feature. So I don't know if you've ever been in a Tesla or driven in a Tesla. Some of you have been in Ubers, on Lyfts, or own your own Tesla, or your friends have Teslas, or you bought a Tesla. But they're so amazingly nice. The doors open up. You feel so special. You feel like it's just the engineering and the AI, the artificial intelligence on it is just simply incredible. Yep. It makes you feel like a mogul girl or a mogul guy. So, okay, so that was the breaking news. I just wanted to share with you because a lot of you are going, oh, Bitcoin, 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 but I can't do Bitcoin. Well, I told you to do the ETFs, but they have fees. Look up the ARK ETFs. I have a podcast that's coming with the crypto podcast, so you can take a look at those, but I just haven't had a chance to upload it. So thank you for your support by just simply subscribing to my YouTube video. Really appreciate it. Use any of the links below. It helps me, and then it'll help you, and you'll get your free stocks. And then once you join up, you will have referral links to send to your family and friends. So it's the gift that keeps on giving. Especially, you know, use the free links below. Robinhood, super easy for beginners. Public is on your phone, super easy to use. And Webull gives you 2 free stocks. So you want the second bonus one with $100. So get your free stocks. Let me see what else in the news. Okay, Apple. Also, you know, I told you they were doing a stock split, and I told you about Apple. And so those of you were encouraged, just did your due diligence and decided on your own to buy Apple after I told you you guys can get Apple cheaper than me. Also, Apple surged today as well, and it smashed $2 trillion market cap. The first company to hit the 2 trillion. It's actually passing 2 trillion. And then I told you about the guy who loved Tesla and was just a person that works. Like, we're all just working people, unless you're millionaires and born into trust funds or marry into wealth, you know, or have made your own millionaire wealth. So congratulations. But, you know, if you love a company and you believe in it and you use it and you just love it, this person has now become a millionaire, just a regular working person. And I say it in the ultimate respect, because I'm a working person. I work so hard. I've been working since 8 a.m. to do these podcasts. And we have our Film Investors Group of Los Angeles. If you'd like to join, you can be a patron sponsor. So we have because I do a lot of film groups, as you guys know, because I did film finance for major studios like Mandalay, working with the vice president of finance development. And so we have our group, which is Investors of Los Angeles. So in case you guys would like to go on there, but please at least subscribe to my channel, give me a 5-star review or ranking, or use my link so that I know that you know, my time is worth it, because it's so time consuming. And you know, rent in LA is not cheap, and the production, I have a $3,500 just bill expense to do all these. So thank you. So Apple just hit the 2 trillion mark. So I just want to tell you breaking news. So fantastic. Disclaimer, I'm not a licensed broker. I'm not allowed to tell you to buy or sell, so you have to do your due diligence. And this channel's for entertainment. But you know, don't worry if you didn't get into any of these stocks, because when I came in on board investing, I came late to the party of the FANG stocks. The FANG is the Facebooks, the Apples, the Netflix, the Googles. I'm looking at Google, but Google is another one that's like $1,500 plus. And every time I look at it, it goes up and it goes up and it goes up and I go, what happened to the bubble? What happened to the market crash? Where can you buy in the dip? So basically, you got to see if you can buy in the dip, but no one can time the market. Like, you know, I told you, I tried to get into Apple, and like as soon as I bought it, it went down to 360. I bought it at 390, went to 360. So it's like really hard to time it. But then like now it's up $473. So you got to look at it like if it's growing and doing well, like no matter where you buy it, if you didn't time it right, because no one can buy it and stay on the sidelines. It's not really going to go anywhere. If you're staying on the sidelines, it means you're not playing to make your money work for you. And then some people sold off their profits, and then they go down, and the stocks go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. But these are pretty steady companies so far. But like going into winter, I'm concerned. I'm going to say I'm just concerned. Some people don't have the employment extension. Some people's employment is only like 100 a week or less. And a lot of people's rent is $1,500 and up if you live in a major city. And if you're living by yourself, the expenses are really high. I'm personally single right now, so it's a lot of work. But do find ways to learn. You got to learn and educate yourself each and every day. Just say, I'm gonna love myself. I value myself. I'm gonna stay off social media, looking at famous celebrities and stuff. No offense to favorite celebrities, but what favorite celebrity ever gave you a free stock or told you to use a free stock link or ever told you to invest in stocks or said, hey, learn about financing, learn about real estate investing, learn about ETFs, learn about REITs, learn about stocks, learn about bonds, learn about crypto. If you know, I mean, you gotta really just like learn from the wealthy, learn from people that are learning and educating and inspiring you to be better and grow your money and get that compound interest and get those dividend stocks or whatever makes you happy. Growth stocks, dividend stocks. You know, whatever your philosophy is for investing that works for you. If you're in your 20s or 30s, it's going to be different from anyone they're in their mid 40s. It's going to be different from anyone in their mid 50s. It's going to be especially different for anyone over 60 and 65, because you're going to want to be retired and take your profits and enjoy yourself if we're allowed to go on cruises and airlines again. So, you know, always look for good companies. Always look for companies that have grown in profits over the last 5 years. Always look to see what the you know, the debt is to the profits, and see who the CEOs are, and really learn to read those papers. It's kind of hard for me to tell you how to read papers by podcast, but I'm gonna give you more terminology and help you to go through that. And like, we're interviewing guests, we're studying guests. You know, I have a lot of high net individual friends in Los Angeles. I don't know if you saw that I worked in Beverly Hills for Merrill Lynch in the stock firm, and you know, basically you're just there learning. And guys usually help each other. They're just bros, and guys help each other. Girls are kind of last on that. Girls, you know, some girls help each other, but you know, guys always talk about this kind of stuff. So I'm really excited that beginners are here, beginner guys, beginner girls, and we're really doing great. We're building a success team and helping each other to win. Have a great day. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube. Thank you for using my referral links below and for giving 5 stars to the channel. It really helps everything. I appreciate you, and I'm very happy for those of you who decided to, you know, investigate and research and learn how to grow your money. And it is scary, the stocks, but just think of it like Apple was like a Gucci purse, and Amazon right now is more like a Chanel purse. So, you know, when you buy a Chanel purse, you're like, oh my God, I'm spending $5,000, or Louis Vuitton purse. And Apple, well, I mean, Gucci is now thousands of dollars too. So, you know, I'm just saying, when you plunk that, change it out. But like when you buy a purse, you get to wear it every day, you're enjoying it, you're a consumer. But if you are an investor, you know, that money can go up in your future. So, but it's always risky. There's risk, and I never tell you to buy stuff. I just tell you my excitement over things and what's going on. So have a great day. Thank you, everyone. Bye.